5.
49.
3.
No, we said this was a 62.
Yep, 62. And the gentleman's name is Aaron.
62 Dodge D200.
Absolutely beautiful, beautiful truck. I love this. Everybody that's come by here that's seen it said they love it.
So this rubber hose we need to address. I think at least
cracked like crazy.
At least somebody put. Yeah, that's supposed to be a hard line all the way, but
yeah,
that's been hacked through years of shenanigans.
Oh,
so this rubber is like a rock and cracked.
Yep.
Fuel filter, fuel bowl is filthy.
Yep.
Now, when we saw this when it was next door at storage when he came to pick it up.
Which is Desert Drive Storage, by the way.
Desert Drive Car Storage. Great place. Store next door to us. Come hang out. Right there. Conveniently located right next door to us. Store your car, have some shenanigans. Whatever. We were all under the hood, obviously, because we were, helping him Desert Drive get it out, get everything ready to go. Carburetor, now that he's been driving it, you can see it's been leaking.
Really, really bad.
That's from the float being potentially a little too high there. But down here, I would recommend in the future a rebuild on the carb, a reseal rebuild. Also, look at all the battery acid on top of the battery, and this is one of 23. It's not that old. That could potentially be an overcharging issue. The alternator's right there.
The voltage
Probably a bad voltage regulator.
Usually it's on the firewall, but maybe that's it right there.
Old
school.
That's it.
Well, I'm used to other style.
Yeah.
For 70s?
Yeah, this is old.
I got 270 Dodge D.
We know you do.
D100s.
You
200.
monster. So, Scotty's gonna get this apart, get this cleaned, replace this hose. When we get it back fired up and running, I would like to check the output of the alternator, see if it's putting out too much. See if that regulator's bad.
Yeah.
Because that's gonna boil the crap out of that battery, and it's already been doing it, and it's fairly new.
Yeah. But, okay, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get back to work. So, y'all can get the out of here.
You here to work today?
Well,
don't make me spray him in his ears.
His corner,
you're really going to work today?
His corner's not available at 2.
That's not what I heard.
He leaves here at 2 and goes to
Job number 4.
Arenas and Arenas and Indian.
Yeah.
You stand there and
I show my arenas.
Thigh highs and heels.
Well, okay, guys.
Anyway. Okay, we went off the deep end.
So. Yeah, okay, bye.
Okay.